Hello YouTube, welcome back to my video. This video is going to be about the OnePlus 10T, and this video is just recommending this phone as the best $300 phone on the market currently. It was released last year in 2022, roughly in Q4, I believe, Q3 or Q4 of last year, and it was going for about $650 or $750, and now it's about $300 on eBay for 128 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. Runs fine. I'm coming from a Pixel 6 Pro with 256 gigs, and I believe I think 12 gigs of RAM. I'm not too sure. Forgot, but yeah, the RAM, the phone runs fine on 8 gigs. I haven't been on 8 gigs for a while, so yeah, it runs fine. 128 is fine for me. Just storage management is a little more important. And yeah, great phone. Only negative I say about this phone is the cameras. The cameras are a very big step back from the Pixel 6 camera. It's a very big step back from the Pixel 6 camera, sadly. Very, very sad to see that. I haven't been on a OnePlus device in a couple years. I do have the OnePlus 7 Pro, I believe, with the pop-up camera. I was on that just because I water damaged the 6 Pro, and yeah, I was on that. But that was the most recent phone I've been on, and I just haven't been on a up-to-date phone of like yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, this phone it's great. It's great for the price. The cameras are just very disappointing. That's about it. This phone also charges up to 100% in 20 minutes, which is one of the craziest facts about this phone, besides the price point. But 20 minutes and you're back to 100%, which is wild to me. It's super cool to be able to just plug in your phone. 20 minutes later, boom, got it. I did do a slight test with the screen on for half the test, which is why it didn't charge up to 100% in 20 minutes. Charged to 100% in 20 minutes. In 27 minutes with the screen partially on, about half the charge, half the time while I was charging. But that's still crazy. And yeah, but 20 minutes with the screen off, boom, 100%. And yeah, I do recommend this phone. I'll link I'll link it in the description along with its brother or sister, whatever you want to call it, the 10 Pro, the OnePlus 10 Pro, which was released about 6 or 7 months prior to this phone. It has roughly everything the same, besides the cameras are a little different. The charging speed isn't as quick. It has an alert slider and some other things. The specs will go up now of this phone here, and you'll see it. I just put it on one of these sides here. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's for last year's standards. It's good. It runs great. There's just a bug, just one bug on the application. It's probably an app that has the bug and not the phone itself. I didn't get that on the Pixel 6, but I don't know. You know, software apps run differently on every phone. So yeah, I definitely recommend this phone. I'll put all the links in the description for you to pick it up. And yeah, but the software on this phone is great. I like it. OnePlus software has always been has always had a place in my heart, but the Google software has a place in my heart as well now. I really do think these two softwares are the best on the market. I do not like the Samsung skin too much, but I do really enjoy the Pixel lineup and also the OnePlus lineup. But their software is king of the hills, I would say. I wish they would kind of have like a merge where they meet in the middle. Some of their software gimmicks, or their software, what word should I use? Some of their software features, let's put it that way. But I don't know if that ever happened. But yeah, I recommend this phone. Pick it up if you want. I do not know how many units they have left, but I bought this about 2 weeks ago, and they should have plenty left. Pick one up while you can. This is a great deal. I don't think you want to miss it. But don't forget, the cameras aren't the best, so I'll throw some pictures up as well, but literally, it's really crazy how OnePlus still has not caught up into the picture space. Like, this looks fine, but like it's just slow. Like, yeah, the cameras on here are also slow, like slower than the Pixel. Like, I'm coming from the Pixel 6, so I guess like they don't capture the exact frame that you're seeing. I don't know, the Pixel just feels like a smoother and faster camera. So I don't know, it's just different. I don't like it as much. It just feels like I stepped like 2 years in the past when I picked up this camera. It's weird. But yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. In this video about this phone. It is the best $300 phone that you can get right now, I believe. If there is some other ones that you have in mind, put them in the comment section. I'll be glad to look them up and pin them if anything. But yeah, I really do appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you got $300 and you need a phone right now, hey, OnePlus 10T is calling your name. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later. Peace. Was that Marquez's Browley outro? That was, I think. I'm Marquez Browley. Like and subscribe. 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 Like and subscribe.